Hi, friends.
Welcome to beautiful Osoyoos, British Columbia. Osoyoos is a true gem in the sun. Nestled in Canada's only living desert, it's a vibrant place that combines the charm of a beach town with the rich heritage of the Okanagan Valley. As the drone flies over, you'll see the breathtaking scenery of rolling hills, lush vineyards, and fruit orchards that stretch as far as the eye can see. As you enjoy the view of the landscape, you'll notice the town sits right on the shores of Lake Osoyoos, the warmest freshwater lake in Canada. Its inviting waters are perfect for swimming, boating, and all sorts of fun activities, making it a popular spot for families and visitors looking to relax and soak up the sun. The name Osoyoos has an interesting origin. It comes from the Okanagan language, where Soyuz means narrowing of the waters. It's a fitting name as the town is located where the lake narrows. In addition to its picturesque setting, Osoyoos has a rich history that goes back to the early 1800s, when fur traders and gold rush pioneers used the area as a significant trade route. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this aerial tour of Osoyoos, a place where history and nature come together to create a truly magical destination. We hope you'll visit in person and experience everything this delightful town has to offer.
Thanks for watching!